How to fix Roblox too many attempts? Please wait a bit. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix Roblox too many attempts, please wait a bit or try again later error, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, launch your web browser and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Now go to Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security tab, select Clear Browsing Data, choose All Time for the time range, and make sure to check the boxes for browser history, keys, and cached images and files. Before proceeding, ensure that you know your account details as well, and then click on Clear Data. After clearing the data, restart your PC by clicking on the power icon and select Restart. By following the simple steps, you should resolve the error. And if you encounter the issue again after multiple failed attempts, you may need to repeat the process. So I hope this helps. If it does, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.